These are the new LXT torque-controlled cordless shutoff impact tools from Makita. They feature powerful brushless motors, a tough compact design, and a variety of programmable parameters. These impacts will help guarantee your fasteners are properly seated and torqued correctly every time. These are often used to replace pneumatic pulse tools for high torque controlled fastening with little to no reaction. There are 8 new models which feature either a 1/4 inch hex, 3/8 inch square, or 1/2 inch square drives. Their maximum fastening torque ranges up to 185 Nm depending on the model. These shutoff impacts offer manufacturer's precision control on torque applications. This provides quality fastening without the cost of traditional air tools. Each tool runs on Makita's proven 14.4 volt lithium-ion smart batteries, which are compatible with the full line of Makita assembly tools. The smart technology in the batteries allows them to provide consistent torque even when power is running low, and they have a fuel gauge to indicate their current charge level. Additionally, the 14.4 volt batteries use the same universal Makita chargers as the 18 volt Makita LXT lineup. This allows for easy implementation throughout your facility. The ergonomic lightweight design of the new LXT impacts fits nicely in the hand, and the over-engineered body and internals are tough enough to withstand harsh treatment in any work environment. An LED job light ensures you're never left in the dark, and the oversized LED indicator in the rear gives immediate pass-fail feedback to the operator. Makita's free software allows for easy programmability of the tool via the tool's USB port. The tool's parameters allow users to set torque levels, impact time and force, hard or soft joint compensation, maintenance alerts, and disabling forwards or backwards operations. Changes can also be done to the tool via a keypad on the base, allowing for programming without the computer. The keypad can additionally be locked out after setting torque to prevent the operator from changing the setting. An additional wireless module can send pass or fail and batch count information for basic error proofing. If you currently rely on air tools for your fastening needs, it's time to upgrade to Makita's latest battery technology. Makita's cordless tools can save you money, improve ergonomics, and provide a safer work environment by eliminating needless air lines. This new line of Makita shutoff impacts is the latest offering from Makita in torque-controlled tooling. These tools supplement Makita's precision torque screwdrivers, as well as their full complement of MRO tooling. Check out the selection of Makita impact tools that we carry using the link from the video description, and be sure to subscribe so you can catch the latest tools news and updates from Flexible Assembly Systems.